shemeji woromondi.
The best weight you'll ever lose in life is the weight of other people's opinions. Welcome to the morning motivations on the Luo Online. May I request you to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to follow on other social media like Facebook, Thread, TikTok, Pinterest, and also the official website www.theluo.online. Now back to the meaning of this quote. The best weight you will ever lose in life is the weight of other people's opinion. Most of the time we fear the weight of growing too fat. That's why we do a lot of exercise. We fear carrying burden of certain stress and the rest. But in one way or the other, they might have come out of other people's opinion. You cannot deny the fact that each and every day people have different opinions. That's why people don't love innovations. Innovations like FM and TVs don't love YouTube. Those people who used to record video on helicopters don't love drones. Taxi owners don't love Ubers. I will talk about those examples in another video. Now, when you come up with something new, or even if it is not new, still people will have an opinion. These opinions may come from your friends, people who even don't know you, or people who you don't know, from your parents, even from your love partner, being a husband or wife, or girlfriend or boyfriend. The opinion may come from workplace. It may also come from a social club and even in the church. Several examples that we can mention where people can exert their opinions into your idea. When you start doing anything, people will want to advise you. Others advise you for the good. Some people advise you for the bad. You have to use your brain to detect which advice should I decide, because you are the final judge on what opinion or option you take after somebody has advised you. There are some opinions that comes when you're already doing something. Like I said before, This could be criticism, or it also could be praises. For example, a politician may decide to increase the salaries of the teachers. But the health workers may also come up with that strike to counter the decision by that or the idea of that politician to increase the salary of the teachers. They may say, no, we are also doing greater work than these people. We also need salary increment. And our salary must be increased before any salary is added. That is a criticism. That's not a praise. Meanwhile, on the other side, somebody may come and say, well done, well done. Thank you very much for adding the salary of the teachers. So, in life, if you consider everybody's opinion, if you admit and absorb it all, you will lose your direction and you will achieve nothing. You will be somebody who is just trying things without going forward. There will be no forward movement. So, I don't mean that you should never take opinion or ideas from people. But those who just criticize you without advising, those who talk ill without motivation to you, the negative energies, speeches that come with negative energies, speeches that come with insults, abuse, criticism, don't carry those burdens at the back. Don't. Stay focused. Don't let any negative energy from somebody's opinion to be heavy to you, to add weight to your burdens. You already have enough burdens in life. You're planning for what you're doing. You're preparing to face natural factors. You're preparing to achieve other things in life. So if your endeavors are attacked by opinions, it can be very serious psychological bullets that may even result in psychomotor. People will come say, I've ever said this, your wife is useless, she's lazy, doesn't work, doesn't go to the garden or whatever. The same to the husband. Oh, maybe your husband there is giving you no food on the table, yet you know the truth. We say, I don't like the way your husband talks. I can never stay with that man. I don't like the way your wife walks. Why don't you check her? Those are the opinions and their weight. If you carry on those weights, you're messing up. So finally, to conclude, the biggest weight you will ever lose in life is the weight of other people's opinion. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video if you subscribe.
Shemeji Woromondi.